Hello, I'm Amit Salunkhe, General Manager, ZOLLER India and Middle East. Welcome, Marhaba Gulf. This time, SteelFAB 2026, we have a very much innovative product, our PowerShrink 400 series. On this machine, we can easily shrink and unshrink the tool. We can really support the manufacturing ecosystem to increase their productivity, reduce their tool scrap, or increase their tool life. They can certainly use their machine to the next level because they can achieve the maximum performance with their cutting tools as well as the tool holders. So ZOLLER always offer the maximum productivity, and with our every innovative product, we prove that over the years. So we came to Dubai to educate the market that how they can use the cutting tools and their resources more efficiently. And after 10 years, or I would say after 1 decade, we came to know that there are many customers coming to us and they're really thanking us that we are supporting this market, we are educating this market, and they're using our solutions from multiple years, and they are changing the positive change in their manufacturing ecosystem. They could achieve more, they could save more because of ZOLLER solutions. So that's the ZOLLER promise to Middle East as well as the Gulf market.